Hello and welcome to the Manifestor's Circle. Did you know that many successful business owners, including billionaires, swear by the power of meditation and manifestation to achieve their goals? It's true. These high-profile leaders have discovered that by gaining emotional control of their minds, they are able to manifest their desires faster and more effectively. But what is manifestation, and how does it work? Simply put, manifestation is the act of bringing something into your life through the power of your thoughts and beliefs. It's about focusing on what you want, letting go of what you don't want, and letting the power of the universe merge your desires directly into your reality. Many successful business owners have learned to harness the power of manifestation to increase their wealth and abundance. By using techniques that are not commonly known or used by their peers, they are able to effortlessly increase their net worth, grow their businesses, and achieve more success than they ever dreamed of. But it's not just business leaders who can benefit from manifestation. Every day, people like you and me can also use these techniques to manifest millions into our lives. This could be in the form of winning the lottery or having a stroke of genius in coming up with a winning product idea. In the end, most people will never know the law of attraction will bring their manifestation into the world, but the evidence suggests that it does, and it will, as long as you stay true to your desire. So don't give up hope if you're not a millionaire yet. Manifestation is a skill that can be taught and learned, and with practice and determination, you too can achieve your goals and increase your wealth and abundance. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is to focus on what you want. Believe you already have it and take actions to make it happen. By combining trust in the unseen force of the universe with daily small steps towards your goal, your success will begin to multiply and the fabric of reality will begin to shift and present opportunities you never thought possible. So start visualizing your dreams today and watch as they begin to manifest in your life. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestor's Circle.